Hello, everyone. Have you ever stopped for a second and wonder about the hidden story behind the astonishing 15 million tons of wood harvested every year in the United States just to create the paper products we casually use every single day? From the toilet paper hanging quietly in your bathroom to the warm cardboard pizza box carrying your favorite slice, and even the notebooks sitting on a classroom desk, the paper industry silently fuels a massive part of American forestry. It's a powerful force woven deep into a multi-billion-dollar economy, and most people never realize the scale of what's happening behind the scenes. Today, we're about to uncover something extraordinary. We'll travel through enormous forests and high-tech paper mills to reveal the incredible, almost unbelievable process behind modern wood harvesting and advanced paper production. This industry has pushed the United States to the forefront of global wood production and paper manufacturing. What might seem like an ordinary household item is actually the result of remarkable engineering, relentless innovation, and human ingenuity. And yes, it all leads to one of the most essential items in our daily lives, toilet paper. So get ready, because we're about to step inside the forests and cutting-edge paper mills of America and witness the entire journey unfold. Harvesting process in the United States. Across vast American forests filled with towering pine, oak, and birch trees, the harvesting process begins. These forests provide a steady and abundant supply of raw material while maintaining the quality required for high-grade paper production. At the center of this operation stands a machine that has completely transformed forestry. The harvester. This powerful and highly versatile machine is engineered with specialized systems capable of processing up to 200 tons of wood per hour, an astonishing speed that pushes the limits of modern forestry technology. Harvesters can cut trees with diameters reaching 80 centimeters. Though they usually handle trees between 10 and 30 centimeters, the perfect size for paper manufacturing. Unlike the massive feller buncher, which focuses only on cutting and stacking trees, the harvester performs multiple tasks at once. It cuts the tree, grips it, removes branches and leaves, measures the trunk, and slices it into perfectly sized logs, all in a single seamless operation. Its advanced hydraulic system allows incredibly fast and precise movements, while intelligent sensor technology automatically analyzes each tree and adjusts the cutting process based on its size and structure. The cutting head, equipped with razor-sharp high-efficiency blades, removes branches instantly, reducing waste and dramatically increasing productivity. Once the harvester finishes its work, another specialized machine takes control, the forwarder. This machine collects the process logs and carefully transports them out of forest. Designed to move across rugged terrain without damaging the soil or surrounding vegetation, forwarders can carry large volumes of timber in a single trip. This careful design helps protect the forest ecosystem while maintaining a constant supply of raw materials for paper mills and other industries. In fact, forwarders play a crucial role in achieving the massive milestone of harvesting 15 million tons of wood every year. However, not all forests are easy to navigate. In areas with steep slopes or rough landscapes, another machine steps in, the skidder. Think of it as a heavy-duty specialist of the forest. Equipped with engines producing up to 700 horsepower, reinforced traction systems, articulated wheels, and advanced hydraulics, skidders are capable of handling some of the toughest forest environments imaginable. Their rugged design allows them to reach remote areas where other machines struggle to operate, ensuring that even the most challenging terrain can still be harvested efficiently. Now imagine standing deep inside one of these enormous forests. The air smells of fresh pine. The sound of powerful machinery echoes through the trees. Harvesters slicing through trunks, forwarders carrying heavy loads, and skidders pulling timber across rugged ground. These modern machines have completely revolutionized the wood harvesting industry, replacing traditional axes and manual labor with incredible technological power. The result is faster production, higher efficiency, and unprecedented growth across the entire American wood and paper manufacturing sector. With factory process, once the trees are harvested and cut into uniform logs, the journey continues. The logs are transported from the forest to paper mills using advanced rail systems and heavy-duty transport trucks. When they arrive at the mill, automated cranes and sophisticated log handling systems quickly unload the timber, saving both time and labor. The logs are then placed in large storage yards near the mill, ensuring a steady and continuous supply of raw materials for production line. Chipping process. This is where the transformation truly begins. Raw logs are converted into refined materials in a process that feels almost like industrial magic, an extraordinary blend of engineering precision and advanced technology that ultimately produces essential products like tissue paper and toilet paper. The first step begins as the logs are moved from outdoor storage yards into the processing area using high-capacity conveyor systems supported by powerful log cranes or gantry systems. These machines can handle between 200 and 400 tons of wood per hour, efficiently lifting and transferring enormous quantities of logs onto the conveyor lines. Inside the processing area, the logs enter massive rotating drums where the bark is removed through intense friction and pressure. Once cleaned, the logs move into industrial chippers that slice them into uniform with chips measuring about 1 to 2 inches in size. These chips are then transported through automated conveyor systems to the pulping department, ensuring a smooth and continuous transition to the next stage of production, pulping process. When the wood chips arrive at the pulping section, the true creation of tissue paper begins. The chips are cooked under extremely high pressure in massive industrial digesters at temperatures reaching 170 degrees Celsius. They are combined with a chemical solution known as white liquor, which breaks down the wood structure over several hours. The result is a mixture of strong, clean cellulose fibers, the essential foundation of soft yet durable tissue paper. During this process, a byproduct called black liquor is produced. Instead of being wasted, it is recycled in recovery boilers where lignin is separated and chemicals are recovered for reuse. This recycling system allows mills to achieve up to 95% efficiency, making the process both productive and environmentally responsible. Cleaning and bleaching process. Once the pulp is prepared, it enters the cleaning and bleaching stage. This step removes remaining impurities and ensures the final product reaches the high standards required for premium tissue paper. The pulp is washed using centrifugal systems and treated with brightening agents such as peroxide or ozone. These chemicals whiten the pulp and prepare it for the final bleaching stage. After bleaching, the pulp moves into the washing department, where clean water removes any remaining chemicals before papermaking begins. Papermaking process. Now comes one of the most fascinating stages of the entire operation, turning pulp into actual paper. This transformation happens using a gigantic drying and forming machine stretching over 60 meters in length. Surprisingly, the entire process takes only about 45 seconds. First, the pulp is diluted with water to create a slurry containing 99% water and just 1% fiber. This mixture is then pumped into a high-speed twin-wire forming machine where it is evenly sprayed onto a moving conveyor belt traveling at speeds of up to 90 kilometers per hour. The belt's fine mesh allows water to drain through tiny openings while powerful vacuum systems pull excess moisture away. As the sheet moves forward, high-pressure rollers squeeze out additional water, reducing moisture levels to around 40% and forming the basic structure of paper. Next comes the drying stage. Heated rollers reach temperatures of 120 degrees Celsius, evaporating the remaining moisture until the paper reaches an ideal moisture content of 5 to 7%, maintaining both dryness and fiber strength. The finished sheet is then rolled into enormous reels before winding is completed. A sophisticated measurement frame continuously monitors the paper's weight, moisture, and color. Every detail is controlled from a computerized control center that adjusts the process in real time. The reels then pass through smoothing rollers that remove minor wrinkles. After that, soft calendaring rollers refine the fiber structure, improving absorbency and giving the paper its soft texture. Although this process sounds incredibly complex, the entire engineering achievement happens in just 45 seconds while recycling up to 95% of the water used. Cutting and packaging. Now imagine those giant paper reels being transformed into familiar toilet paper rolls we see in stores. Automatic cutting machines precisely slice the massive reels into smaller rolls measuring 10 to 12 centimeters in diameter, the standard size used in homes. From there, the packaging process begins. Fully automated systems group the rolls into packs of 4, 6, 12, or 24, depending on market demand. Each package is labeled, branded, inspected for quality, and prepared for distribution. Thanks to advanced manufacturing technology, this entire system operates at incredible speed, helping the industry produce around 50 billion rolls of toilet paper every year, contributing billions of dollars to the U.S. economy. Conclusion: from towering forests to everyday household products, the American paper industry represents a powerful combination of innovation, engineering, and sustainable resource management. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the advanced technologies and intricate processes behind America's paper production industry. If you enjoyed exploring this world of forestry and manufacturing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible stories from the industries that shape our daily lives. We'll see you on the next adventure. Evergreen tree, page facing up.